Greetings, bonjour, and good day to you. My name is Amber Nicole Walsh. I'm here to share with you my experience inside of Lexi D'Angelo's Integrative Alchemy Practitioner Certification. When I saw the release of the certification, I felt inside a vibrant yes that I had to do this. I wanted to become a masterful practitioner. I wanted to facilitate epic miracle style results for my clients. And I wanted to add some tools to my tool belt and move myself out of the bracket of being only a massage therapist and offer integrative alchemy packages so I can help my clients on a physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual level to really heal deeply. I wanted to join the certification, but I was coming up against some blocks. The first one being the investment. And Lexi hosted an amazing workshop that really helped generate some good ideas on how I could make the money. The first one, I did ask for support and it did go on a credit card. The next ones, I worked my little booty off to get the payments. But then the next one, I had 10x'd my offer and my income thanks to the girls inside of the certification. While we were at the live experience in Boston, Lexi was doing some powerful techniques with us, and the girls and the certification furthered to help me get to this place. And so I knew Lexi was legit. I've never met anybody who offers more value than she does, and I know that she invests a lot in her business and her skills, and she gives that all and more to us. So my next limitations I was coming up against were the words rich, witch, both of which provoked really strong feelings within me. In the past, I was taught, basically really to fear witches, and that witches were inherently not good people who were using their power to harm. And in fact, same with rich people. I had believed that they also weren't the greatest people who were using their powers for good, to help others. So coming from, my Christian background, going to Bible school, what I really learned was that above all else, it's about a relationship with God. And it's not necessarily about doing or not doing certain tasks and things and actions. But it's more about being, embodying the truth of who you are and living that out on the earth. Being a light and an example for others. And that is actually exactly what the Integrative Alchemy Practitioner Certification does. It really encourages you, not only encourages you, but provides tools so that you can remove these limiting beliefs and fully step in to the truth of who you are and really feel that and believe it. And also to get blessed abundantly and to be okay with that. To know that it is very spiritual to make good money for sharing your spiritual gifts with the world and helping them. So I realized Lexi often offers a chance to explore our edges and change our perspectives, and really offers us an opportunity to create the life that we want to create. And so being a powerful co-creator means that you get to bring heaven to earth. And you get to make the definition of what rich means for you, of what witch means for you. It can mean a woman who is so tapped into her intuition, her power, her gifts, serving the world, making the world a better place through every action, fully believing in herself, loving herself, prioritizing herself and her needs, and making good money. Or it can mean something else. And the choice is up to you. And you're always at choice and you're always at cause. And if at any time it doesn't feel good, it's okay. You're free to go. But if the Integrative Alchemy Practitioner Certification is lighting you up inside, you're feeling that vibration, you're feeling something inside of you that is exciting, that you can't deny. And you also might be a little bit unsure of some things. I want to encourage you that it is possible. It's absolutely possible. It's possible to make the investment. It's possible to become the fullest version of yourself. And another bonus about being in this group, beyond Lexi offering crazy, insane value, is these women. They're so healing and they're so amazing and they're so powerful. And, you know, as an adult, it can feel challenging to make friends. Not inside of this group. These women are incredible. And they help, they just help you with your business, help you align with the truth of who you are. They're absolutely incredible. So if you're feeling lit up by the Integrative Alchemy Practitioner Certification, I want you to hit the enroll button now. And when you do, you'll activate my bonuses, which are an identity code session where I take your exact hour and minute of birth, look at your birth chart, and we're able to see what you've been divinely coded to do. Are you meant to do one-on-one coaching? Are you meant to help a large group of people evolve? Are you meant to create what you wish existed in the world? Are you meant to create a system or a framework that helps others' goals be more achievable? All of these things we can find out. We can find out how you're meant to make an impact, what your divine message that you've been coded to share with the world is. We can see all sorts of things and begin to get your career into alignment with your soul's purpose. The next will be a tarot card reading with the Crystal Unicorn deck, and we'll just be channeling the goodest, the purest of energies to encourage you in the truth of your business and who you are. And we're offering access to the exclusive Facebook group where you'll learn how to use essential oils to accelerate your healing and your abundance. So if you're feeling really good about Integrative Alchemy Practitioner Certification, hit that enroll button now to activate your identity code session, your tarot card reading with the Crystal Unicorn deck, and exclusive access to the essential oil group to accelerate your healing and abundance. If you're not feeling quite ready, maybe you're interested in the identity code session and talking a little more with me, go ahead and book an identity code session. I'm going to be offering it at an extremely steep discount for you. I really want to help, I really want to hear, and I really want to get you aligned. And then after our conversation, if you feel good and you want to sign up with Integrative Alchemy Practitioner, and you use my link, then you can get a refund for that. So then it can just be your free bonus for enrolling. So enroll, let your life be changed. Don't hold yourself back just because you might perceive some things about some words or how things may happen. Just know it's possible.